certainly an option whether it's in midfield or centre.
It's usually me that gets things thrown up.
I can't believe that happened. Just been hit with a sandwich. Where did that? Was that a seagull?
I don't know. I have no idea. But it's like a lot of other people, it doesn't like you.
Anyway. No, we're going to try and continue with this. Edu, what kind of player are you getting?
Well, is this live?
Don't worry, just the whole country's listening.
Yes. We're getting a really good young player. I feel he's one that will flourish coming over to Scotland, and we look forward to the result. Right, okay.
Okay, he's a good player.